Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I'll show you how to add Vsco link to Instagram bio in iPhone and Android and help you place your Vsco profile link directly on your Instagram bio for easy access. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Vsco app on your phone because this is where your profile link will be taken from, and you need the app logged in to access your account details. Step 2. Go to your profile, which you'll find at the bottom navigation bar, as this is where all your personal settings and sharing options are located. Step 3. Tap the three dots, usually in the top corner of the screen, which opens the menu for additional profile actions. Step 4. Tap Share Profile, as this option allows you to share your Vsco link with others directly from the app. Step 5. Copy the link to your Vsco profile, which will place the link on your clipboard so you can paste it into Instagram. Step 6. Open the Instagram app because now you'll add the copied Vsco link into your Instagram profile settings. Step 7. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, which takes you to your personal Instagram page. Step 8. Tap Edit Profile, the section where you can change your bio, name, and add important links. Step 9. Tap Add Link, which is the menu dedicated to adding external or social links to your profile. Step 10. Tap Add External Link, since this is the option used for adding websites or profile URLs from other platforms. Step 11. Paste the Vsco link into the URL field using the link you copied earlier from your Vsco profile. Step 12. Add a title if needed, which helps label your link clearly for visitors viewing your Instagram bio. Step 13. Tap the check mark or Done to Save changes, confirming that your Vsco link has been added successfully. Step 14. Go back to your Instagram profile to view the added link, and you should now see your Vsco profile link displayed in your bio. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.